Sit. Sit. Down. That's down is good. Alright. Leave it. Leave it. Okay.
From 11.5 feet.
Sit. That's down. Pretty. Pretty. Yay! Let's do a better one. Pretty. Yay! Good. Pretty. Wow. That's a long time, Pax. Circus dog. Alright. Sit.
Level par is the arch.
Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Up the hill.
Stay.
So that does give.
Stay.
That's Tulane an opportunity also.
Okay.
Look at birdie.
Okay. Come over here. No, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Pretty. Pretty. Yay! No, you gotta do it better. Circus dog. Sit. Sit. Pretty. Yay! Yay! Keep going. Yay! Keep going. Yay! Keep going. Yay! Keep going. Yay! Yay! Alright. Okay, come over here. Come over here by my little set. Sit. 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 Paco, sit. Down. Down. Lie down. Good. Stay. See this ball, Paco? We're going to put it in there, okay? We're going to put it in there. In the basket. Okay? Alright. Paco. Get the ball. Get the ball. Put it in here, Paco. Paco, put the ball in here. Nope. Pax. Nope. No. Put it in the basket. See? No, Baba. Okay, hold on. Put it in the basket. Okay? Or we can do, yeah. Okay? Get the ball. Get the ball. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. No, Baba. In the basket. Put it in the basket. Alright, Paco. I want you to put the ball in the bowl. Okay? Go get it. Put the ball here. In the bowl. No, get the ball. Put the ball here. Paco, put the ball in the bowl. Paco. Paco. Put the ball here. Here. Bowl. Paco. Put the ball in the bowl. Put the ball in the bowl. Pax. Right here. See? See? Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Put the ball in the bowl, mister. You've done it before.